Hello, my dear friends. I'm Dr. Vaishaly Bharambe. I've been teaching anatomy for more than 25 years and I love it. I just want to show you the concept of axis of foot once. This is medial cuneiform. This is intermediate, see it's red. And this is lateral cuneiform. If you look carefully, medial articulates with first. Lateral articulates with third. But the intermediate cuneiform is small and because of which there is a little cup-shaped depression into which the second comes and fits. So that look carefully how the second metatarsal is kind of fixed between these three cuneiforms. You can't really move the second metatarsal much. You can move this, you can move this. This one is fixed and it is for this reason that the axis of your foot passes through the second toe. Try in your own foot. Try to move your second toe. It's very difficult. The other toes may move. Middle is a little bit more difficult than the rest. Okay, so that's why the axis of your foot passes through the intermediate cuneiform and the second metatarsal both. See, just imagine that you have a line which is passing through your second toe and calcaneus as it is shown here on the screen. Okay, then understand that this acts as the axis. Like the midline of your body is your body's axis, this is the axis of your foot. Any movement towards the axis is called as adduction. Away from the axis is called as abduction. Simple. So if you're liking my lectures, do like and subscribe to my channel.